Hello, it is my personal presentation. My name is Cindy Milena Abril. I am 22 years old. I am from Socham. I live in Tunham. My mother is called Maria. My father, I do not know him. My brothers are Jesse and Oscar. I am single. I like to eat lasagna. I like to ride bike. My last vacation in Manizales. On my last vacation trip to the city of open doors, I was in Manizales, Colombia, enjoying a pleasant climate, also visiting some sports centers that are there. Visit the beautiful Basilica Cathedral of Manizales. Its hike is impressive, a very quiet where peace is breathed. I enjoy one of the best spas called Thermals Terra Viva. Its waters are the best anti-stress therapy. It is also a wonderful place, surrounded by nature and tranquility. In the center of the city, there are spectacular places to visit. Its people are very friendly and nice. Recommendation: people should visit Manizales and get to know its cathedral for its magnificent architectural design, enjoying a delicious relaxing spa at Thermals Terra Viva. All part of the city in the telesférico. If a good lunch you want to enjoy in the Paisa Fondita, you can find it. People should not wear clothes for cold weather because Manizales is warm and temperature. Going for a walk at night is a bit insecure and dangerous. Visit Los Nevados, the natural park, without accompanying experts on the subject. Give personal information to strangers. Cathedral Basílica de Nuestra Señora del Rosario. It is Parque Natural Los Nevados. Centers, sports centers. Thank you.